Hey, Slowheads. Welcome to Dick's Stock Car Garage. So, I received a package in the mail yesterday. I was going to open it, on video, but I couldn't wait. And so I got a little busy last night, and so I figured I'd open it. Well, I figured that I would share what was in the box since I already opened it, since I couldn't wait. So, I hope everybody had a good day. Um, I'm glad that I got past Monday. I forgot my bag, my laptop, and my college books in it and whatnot. So went to class without my stuff. A little irresponsible of me, I guess. But luckily I could log in on my phone. That was all right. So but I didn't have a very good Monday. But here it is Tuesday. Got past that. Good to go. So figured we'd come down here and look and see what I got. So here's the first car that Johnny Gunn had sent me. That was in my surprise package because actually the package wasn't even supposed to be here till tomorrow, but it showed up yesterday. So anyway, nice '69 Camaro. I really like the car. It looks good. Only thing is, the interior is pretty plain Jane. I might try to do something to liven it up. It's a good looking car. Only thing is it's missing the spoiler here, but I'm sure I could 3D print something, which is actually I'm doing test prints right now, trying to get that new resin printer to do what it's supposed to. It's kind of hard to mess with. But anyway, so here's the first car. That's nice. Nice Camaro. Second one is the Ferrari 512. Yeah, 512. It's a nice car. Engine looks great. Interior is not, it's like that flat interior, but looks good. Liveries, not too bad, not too flashy. Looks real nice. I really do like the car. It's a Carrera, by the way. Carrera, and this one's it's a Hornby. And the third one I got from him was this BMW. I always like the BMWs. Maybe one day I'll own one. I don't know. I got a Subaru WRX right now, and I enjoy it pretty good. Not as fast as my supercharged truck that I had, but it does good for what it is. It's fun to drive. But anyway, BMW looks good. Spoilers there. Nice car. It's a Carrera car as well. Most of these probably use some new back tires. Livery is got a little much going on, but either way, cool car, good prices. And then, so I don't know, about a month or so almost a month now, a month or so ago, I went to my wife and I went to Nashville and stopped at a hobby shop in Memphis, Mid South Hobbies, and a pretty cool shop, big Carrera truck up front, and had a drag strip in the back, lots of RC car stuff, and lots of slot car stuff. Actually, I've never honestly seen that much slot car stuff, and in a store, which we don't have hobby shops like that here. So anyway, there was a guy had some cars from his collection on sale, and I went and bought a few cars there. So I bought this Toyota Celica. I like the old Celicas. I actually had two Celica GTs. I think they were 73. One was a 72. One was a 73. And then I had an old Toyota Corona as well, wagon. Pretty cool cars. But anyway, so I got this car. I have the window and the interior. The window is cracked, so I was trying to uh, super glue the top of it and stuff, trying to hold it together. I like the wheels on the car. Good detail. I need some tires. I got some flat spots. So hopefully I can get these cars Get the cars running again. Here's another car, Ferrari. I think it's 512 as well. Fly. Which there's really nothing to the chassis, but car just looks good. Good. It's got a motor back in there, even though you actually can't really see it, but it actually has it goes over the motor, over the electric motor, the engine. But anyway, that's a nice looking car. And then I got these. This was the Cadillac I was telling you about. It's a Hornby car, Cadillac LMP. It's missing the interior and the wing, so I got to see if I can find something. I want to kind of restore these cars. Not that looks like it's missing the. I would assume that there's a vent or plastic piece for that. I don't know. But I got these at a flea market. I think I got both of these for 25 bucks. One of them didn't have a price on it, so I told the guy to give him 10 bucks, and I think the other one was 10. Maybe it's 15. I don't know. Another Hornby car. This is the MG Lola. I like the livery on it. It's missing the wing as well. But hopefully I can find some parts for this car. Maybe I can just 3D print something. Who knows? I got my printer running in the background. And then let's go back to Memphis. So I bought this NSR 908. I still need to build it. I gotta finish my hot rod over there first before I start doing anything else. But I love this car. I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as paint or anything yet. But I love that car. It's a good looking car. And let's see what else. And I bought this Lola right here. Oh man, it's a pretty car. Thunder slot. I don't know. I don't even know if it's just a good looking car. I don't know what to say about it. It's pretty. Be cool to have one of these in real life. Maybe just even a replica. That'd be cool. And then another Carrera car. I really like the livery on this thing. It just looked good on this crossbow. The orange, the black, and the white. I haven't even opened it. Just a good looking car. Carrera kind of does pretty good on their presentation there, but I feel like I might be able to save a few bucks on the cars if they, didn't make it look so pretty, I guess. But I still bought it. And then another car in Memphis. This Scale Auto Corvette, which I haven't done anything with it yet either. Nice Corvette. I like the livery on it. Lots of parts, and there's the chassis on it. Aluminum rear wheels, plastic front wheels. It's just a good looking car. Good looking chassis. I look forward to putting some of these cars together, and when I get my track, tuning them. I think that's what I look forward to mostly, is tuning and running them on the track, since I don't have one. And then when I went to Jim Cunningham's, which I should have had him sign these. I didn't even think of that. Maybe I have to take them back and have him sign these boxes, since I got them from him, and he's a freaking legend. But I bought these from him. So kind of something to remember. I got a car, you know, that has a story as well, just like, you know, he does with all his cars. So this is a Marcus with the Xbox and Repsol livery. It was just a freaking good looking car, I thought. It kind of resembles like a between a TVR and a Aston Martin kind of. But it's I really like those, and so I had to get it. I thought my wife was gonna kill me when I brought those home, but she didn't. Luckily, I think she's starting to maybe understand a little bit. Plus, it helps that my dad does it too. So, and this is the one my son. I let him pick out one, and so he picked this Viper, which I thought was a pretty good choice for these Revo slots. That in the camera there, but man, good looking cars. I haven't even taken them off there yet. So, anyways, that's not all my cars. That's just kind of my newer ones. My purchases within the last month. Maybe not tell my wife that, you know. But let me turn this camera around. Anyway, so as I was saying, these are most of the cars that I bought within the last month, except for that Cadillac and that MG uh MG Lola. Yeah. So I bought those. That was probably a couple months ago. But most of these uh probably within the last month and a half. So maybe my wife, maybe not. Maybe we shouldn't tell her that. It's kind of addicting. You see one, and you're like, I think I want to get that one. I'll put it in my cart or my wish list, and then you go away, you think about it for a little bit, and it's like, oh, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it. $50 here. But anyway, so I've got a few more over there. I think one of them's just a fly. It's a fly with a. Here, let me just grab it. Ugh. It's a fly BMW. It's the yellow corn. I don't have the body off of it right now, but it's got the one with the front engine and the drive shaft. I don't know, like there's something about these fly cars with the front engine and the drive shaft. I really like the drive shaft idea, so I think I might try to implement that in my scratch building just to try it. You know, it's just a pretty cool idea. I know that there's many cars that have it, and some of the older cars they've got it too. But I just really like the drive shaft, you know, real car type deal. But anyway, I think that's all for this video. I was hoping to try to make it just a quick one while I had a test print going. I didn't get one out yesterday, so because I was busy today. My washer machine decided that the balancing rod just didn't want to help balance the load anymore, so it was going freaking everywhere. And so my wife was not happy because she couldn't wash clothes. So I decided that I ordered those. They came in today, and I went ahead and fixed that while she was off doing some stuff with the kids. And then when she come home, it was all done for her, so she didn't have to go to the laundromat. That would have probably killed her. But anyway, Marty, good good show tonight. I always enjoy it, and maybe we can do another live together sometime, either you and me or on Conquest. It'd be fun again. All right, y'all have a good night. Later, Slotheads.